Hello, this is Lorraine Jemison, once again reporting from the library. And this is exam 3. So the first question was to find the inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s cubed plus 5s. So in order to do that, I just took partial fractions on as a over s plus b over s squared plus 5. I found a to be 1 over 5 and b to be s. So you just take the inverse of both of these and you get 1/5 for this and 1/5 cosine the square root of 5t. And then you stick them together and you have your answer of 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5 cosine the square root of 5t. And then the second question was to use the Laplace transform to solve the given problem. Y double prime plus y is equal to the square root of 2 sine the square root of 2t. Y of 0 is equal to 10 and y prime of 0 is equal to 0. So in order to do this, you just find the Laplace of both sides. So the Laplace of this side is s squared y minus 10s minus 0 plus y. And then the Laplace of this side is equal to 2 over s squared plus 2. I just simplified this side down to s squared y plus y is equal to 2 over s squared plus 2 plus 10s. And then I made the fraction the least common denominator and I multiplied. So for this I then got 10s cubed plus 20s plus 2 over s squared plus 2, and then I just divided both sides by s squared plus 1. I once again partial fractioned and I got a equal to -2 and b equal to 10s plus 2. And then I just separated out, so the inverse of -2 over s squared plus 2, and then I once again separated 10s over s squared plus 1 plus 2 over s squared plus 1, and then I took the inverse Laplace to get -2 over root 2 sine root 2t plus 10 cosine t plus 2 sine t. And that was it. Thank you.